Hi friends, according to one statistic, 80% of software products fail. Why do these software products fail? There could be numerous reasons. A bad team, not enough sales and marketing, maybe the technology is poor or the execution is poor. But the number one reason why software products fail is because of failure to understand customers' wants and needs. Their failure to solve the right problem for the customers. A case in point is Google Plus. As you know, Google's products are superior in technology. But then why did Google Plus fail? It was not because it was a late entrant. It was not because it had poor technology. It was not because it did not have the sales and marketing prowess. But it was because they failed to understand customers' wants and needs. There was already a platform like Facebook who connected different people with each other. But the concept of Google Plus was that they wanted people to share everything. Their emails, their tweets, photos, videos, and thoughts. But that's not what people wanted. People wanted to just connect with other people on a social networking platform without having to think about what they are sharing with other people. There was already a platform, namely Facebook, and Facebook's popularity was growing at the time when Google Plus came out. But the Facebook clearly mentioned what people could do and could not do. They just simply connected different people with their friends. But in case of Google Plus, it was very difficult for people to connect with other platforms. They could connect very easily with people on Google Plus, or for that matter having Google email or on YouTube. But it was very difficult for people to connect with other people on other platforms. So the concept itself of Google Plus did not work. I'm sure they must have done user research, but the predominant feeling of this product was that it was done for internal employees and then put out for the users. I don't know what kind of research findings they had, but it seemed that this product was Google-centered design. It was supposed to do everything at the same time, but people did not want to do that. The other aspect was the user experience of the product itself. Some of the concepts were really good. For example, the concept of circles. That's how we as people think, right? My inner circle, my outer circle. But then it was very confusing to put people in the circle and get them out of the circle once you put them inside. And people also did not know what am I sharing with my circles. So the settings were really confusing at one point in time. And therefore, the concept of circles, though it was great, did not work very well. Sharing of posts and images was very difficult. Even if you shared posts, you did not know where to find them, where are the links, where are the photos. Google had done a very good job at saving photos and optimizing them. So the quality of the pictures and photos that you saved were really great. But then people who got used to another platform like Facebook, why would they actually get all of their photos from that platform to this platform? This is what Google really needed to think about, whether their product was differentiated enough or not. Let's take, for example, Snapchat. It has a differentiated value proposition in the fact that images and posts disappear after a certain point in time. an example of Instagram, where people could continuously watch feeds of other people. So these platforms have actually captured the needs of people very succinctly and precisely. Whereas Google Plus was all over the place. Sharing of different posts, photos was very difficult. And Google Plus also did not have a mobile experience. The good part is that Google Plus will still work for businesses, and they're going to continue having it up for the businesses. For the social network, according to one statistic, 90% of user sessions on Google Plus were less than 5 seconds. This tells a story that Google Plus has really failed to understand users' needs and wants. And this is where user-centered design could have helped a lot. Instead of focusing on the technology, if they could have focused on applying user-centered design principles and focused on capturing users' needs, wants, and not just the surface level needs, but their latent needs, and differentiated the product, I think Google Plus was a superb product. So summing it up, only a strong technology may not work for social platforms. It has to have a great concept. The social platform also needs to understand users' behaviors, wants and needs, and they also need to cater to the user's experience. Stay tuned to our channel for other case studies. Thank you for listening.